I wouldn't have been able to do that piece if I didn't get a good amount of sleep. Hi, I'm Kristina Grabnickas. I'm a nurse practitioner at the health center, and I'd like to talk to you about getting good sleep and sleep deprivation. Sleep is as important as diet and exercise, but it's easier. Good sleep, try to get about 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Good sleep also improves memory and problem-solving skills and enhances your productivity. It also helps your immune system. So try to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every day. Keep your bedroom nice and cool and dark, not even a nightlight. And sure, go ahead and take a nap if you must, but don't make it longer than 20 minutes. If you have any problems sleeping, please contact me, Kristina Grabnickas, at the Student Health Center. I'd be happy to help.